Okay, class. By now, we already learned about motors, and we also learned about the line sensor. So, in this program, we try to combine both, right? The line sensor and the motor. Actually, you already done this in your previous or last week, using this program to test your motor after you complete assembly. So if you remember, we have a wiring program here, and we have a program. You can download this program from the slide before. So the E1, M1, E2, M2. This is no change. This is for the motor, pin out for the motor with this reserve for the motor, and we have 018, 029, 0310, 0411, 0512. This is for your line sensor. See, because we connected 01 line sensor to the our Arduino board, Arduino or the motor shield pin 8. So that's why we put 018, and then 02 goes to 9, so 029, and so on, right? 12 go to 5. So now you understand that this part we assign the value. This is where we hardwire and assign this value here. Then we initialize VEL is a variable name called val equal to 0. So in the setup, serial begin speed for your monitor speed, and then we make sure that we assign which pin out is input, which pin out is for the output. So motor, of course, is the output. So M1, M2, we assign pin mode is output, and all the sensor here, sensor is input. So sensor is always input, and motor is always output. Next, in the loop, this is where the action begins. So if you can see here, we have if statement. If we read digital read 01, if we read input 01 from the sensor, from the line sensor 01, or this is or logic or, and then or digital read 02. If we read any from this sensor up to 5 sensor here, what we do, we do this. If we cannot get the reading from the sensor, there's nothing there, there's no black tick there, then we do else part. So let's say the sensor detect the line, the black line, or the black line, and then we put the value 250, which is make it high, and then assign M1 low, M2 low, so it goes forward, and put the value 250 into E1 and E2 PWM, so then it goes very fast. So whenever we see black line in any of the sensor, we make sure that the robot move forward, keep on moving. Robot keep on moving, and if it detect any of the black line. If the robot doesn't detect any of this line, what we do is we initialize back value 0 onto the motor, so it doesn't move. So it will move only when it detect the line, and if it doesn't detect the line, it goes here and it stops. So that's why you see your robot will move only when you see the line, and it stop when it encounter the bright light. Okay, so now you understand this.